Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday here in Saudi Arabia and it is 7:30 in the morning. So right now I'm in my room and today I'd like to show you something very interesting. It's actually raining here in the Haran or in Khobar, Saudi Arabia right now. So we are going to go outside to see the rain. Hey guys, I would like to show you the rain. It's actually raining here in the eastern province of Saudi Arabia. It's a very strong rain. Look, it's a very strong rain right now and it's just 7:30 in the morning and it's also very windy. I don't know if you could see the rain, but yeah, it's really very strong. Look at that one, guys. It's raining so strong here. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the rain. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.